were listening that, we need real heroes in front of us. And the next speaker is a real hero, the pad man. You do not need to be big enough to make big changes is what he's taught us. Let's call Arunachalam Murugadam.
Arunachalam Muruganantham. Arunachalam Muruganantham, also known as Padman, is the man behind the invention of the cheapest sanitary napkin producing machine installed in 23 of the 29 states of India, which produces sanitary pads for less than a third of the cost of commercial pads. Among the Time magazine's 100 most influential people in the world, he was awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Is everyone hearing? Na? Yeah, first. I'm sorry for the last half an hour you listen very good English. For another 30 minutes you are going to kill by a butler English. There is no way. Okay. So the topic, you need not to be a big to make a big change. So that's a topic given by Bhavana Varla. So I'm a real example. I'm not big, everyone knows. So this get up and all, you know why I'm wearing this stupid coat, the glass, I don't have power in my eye. Whenever there is somebody to pick me in the airport, receiver, I will walk in, I will say, I am Arunachalam Muruganantham. That fellow says, nice job. We are looking for Padma Shri Arunachalam. I came with a flying slat shirt, full shirt, with hair, everything is unsettled. So nobody is believing I am Arunachalam Muruganantham. That's what I spent some money on this stupid coat and everything. Then now I walk, I am Muruganantham. So, like HR department in your company, so nobody is seeing here, everyone seeing only outside. What I can see. So this slide, I'm giving a lecture to the Future Group company store managers in one of the city in India. I'm sitting with this CEO of the company, where I'm talking about retail marketing. Then I don't know, these people are coming out from IIM, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, D. Finally, there is no way they're hearing my topic on retail marketing. So, then suddenly I will switch out to a pharma company. I'm talking on a frugal innovation on Reddy Labs. So these people are also listening. In R&D department of Reddy Labs. Okay. So this is what I'm doing it. So couple of years ago, I selected by a very big magazine in New York called Times something. Most influential people of 100 people something. They're continuously going on sending mails. I send it to my junk box. I thought somebody is playing. Then on a particular day, I was there in some Bosch, his pronunciation is correct, I think, BO, some German company to give a lecture. Then I saw my mobile phone, so somebody is sending mail like this, you are selected by 100 most influential person, something. That CEO gone to the mail, he shook my hand, Muruga, it's the greatest deal, my God. If they send me, I will immediately go to New York, something, then only I understood is real. Because the rest 99, they are telling, Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, something called Obama, Kibama, everybody. So why I am mixing with other people? So that's what I never believed. Then I was there and other 4 people started from India. Arunachalam Muruganantham is okay. Then Arundhati Roy, then Arvind Kejriwal, Narendra Modi. Then rest 3 is fine. Then on a particular day, I was there in that function in New York. All the 3 people are busy. Finally, a school dropout is representing India in New York in Times Square in Manhattan. Then I begged them to the Times group, on what criteria you selected me as one among the 100 most influential person. I'm begging from the day one. I'm scratching them, everyone. How you selected? How you selected? Then they get frustrated. So the only thing, the difference between West and in our country, Here we become, everybody is a master of all subjects. If anything we done in our office, we want a total credibility for ourselves. I did it. I saw in West, if anything, even I want to move this bottle from here to there, they will form a team. Team coordinator, table manager, circumcision checker, weightlifter, something, then they will direct, please wait, something. So I understood from them. Then they call a team to select me. There are 13, 14 girls, boys, everyone come. Then they finally give this, Muruga, you convert a social problem into a successful livelihood. That's what you are sharing your table, chair with Obama, something they told. Then I agreed. So this is given by Times magazine, but not in, I abstracted, they gave some 12, 13 A4 sheets. I'm unable to read all the things. So some of my friends abstracted, Muruga, he did this, that's what he's sharing. Okay. So what that social problem I solved, 90% of women in India are not using sanitary pad. So you see, I saw the slide all over India, in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, everywhere. So if there are women or girls sitting in this hall, nothing will happen. But while I'm putting the same slide in New York or in London or in Washington, the whole hall get punctured. The women in the hall used to say, oh my God, thus Bush. Why? Because they can't imagine if the women are not using sanitary pad on a particular day, how they are able to manage. But why nothing is happening in this hall, the women, they may understand like this, okay, if the women are not using sanitary pad, maybe they use a rag cloth. So that's why nothing happened. But in my experience for the last 15, 17 years, in India, the women on a particular day, if they are not using sanitary pad, they are not even using a rag cloth, you know what they are using? So these are the things. Sawdust, dry tree leaves, old newspaper, thanks to media companies in India. Okay. And ash. You just imagine we are sending, luckily we never send a woman on Mangalyaan to moon. That's what, whenever I'm reading India is going to send a woman to moon, I laugh like anything. Oh my God, you first give a sanitary pad to the woman, then you send the woman to moon, Mars, everywhere. You give the first sanitary pad. So while I'm talking about, corporate talks and women personal hygiene, don't think I'm a doctor or something. Next is a warning. Because now I'm international speaker, I am giving lectures in Canada, Australia, everywhere. I don't want to save my Bharat Mata into trouble. That's why I'm saying what I don't know openly on a dais. I don't know this. So this what, if you are come out from IIM, from A or B or C, no problem. You need a courage. If something you don't know, tell your superiors, sir, this I don't know. If you have a courage, then you will flourish. So still now I don't know the vocabulary for sechechiri, sochechiri. That's what I never right-click my mouse. Now anyone can become a perfect Englishman. You just right-click your mouse, then you correct it. But I never did it. So even my English pronunciation may be wrong for 1,000 times. But I'm definitely I can convey what I want from my mind to your mind. Instead of doing that, I can convey heart to heart. That's what I'm currently doing. Anyone recognize who is the child? Not Hrithik Roshan. So why I'm putting this, my childhood photograph? Nobody ever predict what this child going to be in the future. The palmist, astrologer, his own mother, father, uncle, grandfather, grand-grandfather, their friends, their girlfriends. Nobody ever predict what is going to be. See what the child is to be now. That's what while I'm saying this, please don't underestimate, if you are a teacher, your students. Don't underestimate your student. As a father, as a mother, don't underestimate your children. being a manager, don't underestimate your subordinates or your juniors. So even in this hall, nobody having a right to underestimate even yourself. So see this truth. The picture is, the photo is taken half a century ago. Now I am 56, maybe 6 years old. So that's what, so whenever you are underestimating, you just think about this situation, what I'm telling. So don't underestimate. So this is my presentation. That's why I never change this presentation for the last 17 years. I just change only the date and venue. The present. Usually I put a blank slide. Recently I gave a lecture in Unilever. Because they're mandatory, some color come in left and right. Then I asked Paul Bowman, sir, what is the meaning of this? Nobody knows, but that is a mandatory, you have to put this. There are a lot of mandates in multinational companies and big corporates. Nobody knows why. Okay. So why I am using this blank slide? In this hall, anyone want to do new thing? You want to do something new? You want to thrive? So only important thing you need to thrive or you need to achieve is clarity on your mind like this. So luckily, I never studied any IIM. My mind is always clear. The moment you come out from IIT or IIM, you do double PhD in Stanford, Oxford, this Ford, that Ford, you are the most corrupted person in the world. You need assistance to even take a decision whether you took sambar or chutney for Italy, there is a confusion. Then you go for call, Manjit, are you free? I had a confusion, so this will never happen. So I born in Coimbatore. Then my father is a handloom weaver. He died in a road accident. Then my mother raised me. So I used to say single mother. It's a wrong meaning. But so many times I climb in New York, I also a single mother's son. Then later I understood, oh my God, single mother is totally different meaning. I thought those who all don't have a father, they are single mother, I thought. Then I realized, so I am having a father, but I am a single mother's son. They got confusion. Because Trump is confusing the whole world, I am confusing Americans little time. Then my mother used to watch a lot of movies like acted by Vaijayanthimala, Hema Ammal and everything. So because of that, she is working in the nearest farm for 5 rupees or 6 rupees per day wages. But she is trying to make me as an engineer. And I am having 2 younger sisters, one into doctor, other into lawyer.